XC launched an upgrade for their baby Scrambler in form of Scrambler 400 XC.
I had to ice my wrist. I've been ballin' since a young, I had to stack my chips. Bending corners, 12 personas, we had to take the risk. You want a spot and take a shot, don't get.
Well, market is really crowded in 400 segment. You have ESDs, you have Himalayan, you have 390 Adventure. There are so many machines in 400 segment. Then why this small upgrade from X to XC? Well, let's understand in this video what is actually Scrambler XC. As well, in this video, you are going to know more about alloy wheels as well as spoke wheel. So watch this video till end. Well, when you see this bike, you will see that there is no visual changes. But the moment you see its wheel, you get to see that this bike now comes with wired spoke wheels. Well, this changes a lot in its off-road capabilities. Design, tank capacity, overall make, engine, everything is same and it holds Scrambler DNA. But with this one major change, that is spoke wheels, entire experience of this bike change. Well, there is one more change, that is you now get adjustable levers. Yes, it's a minor change, but it is a very good change for a rider. And when you take this bike for off-roading, definitely these wheels are going to play a very important role. But with all this, overall height of the bike is increased by 20 mm. Scrambler XC not just gets spoke wheels, but these are tubeless tires. Your concern about spoke tires which are with tube is majorly that if it gets punctures to what. But here with Scrambler XC, you get spoke wheels with tubeless tire. So even that concern is addressed here. Let me tell you one important thing, difference between alloy wheel and spoke wheels. I'm going to tell in a layman term, not super technically. So basically, alloy wheels are much lighter and they also support tubeless tires. It is very good for people who ride on highways, who are more on tarmac, less on off-road or rough roads. For them, alloy wheels are best. You must have seen that earlier alloy wheels were majorly used for track. Later, nowadays, it is also used on tarmac. So alloy wheels majorly are good when you are not going to do masti with your bike. Spoke wheels is exactly on the other side of alloy. Responsibility of spoke wheels starts when road ends. It can take punishment of potholes, odd terrains, maybe boulders or anything that comes on its way. So if you're a person who is more into adventure and who likes to take your bike on any terrain, then spoke wheels are for you. Well, there used to be a fear about spoke wheels because that time tubeless tires were not there for spoke wheels. Now, spoke wheels come with tubeless tire and that is a boon for adventure bike owners. If you are owner of Scrambler X, then please don't feel betrayed. Reason is that you can actually upgrade to these wheels with paying little extra, and that little extra is going to be around 70 to 75,000 rupees. So you can actually make your Scrambler X to Scrambler XC. But there is one small catch, that warranty is going to get void. Let me talk about my riding experience. Well, the moment I started, this bike is really good. It is little taller than the previous one, that is Scrambler X. The 398cc single cylinder engine is untouched and that is not a bad thing at all. It is smooth, it is torquey and it delivers great mid-range of city and weekend trail rides. 6-speed gearbox with slipper and assisted clutch continues to impress me as always. Where XC wins slightly in the balance, better grip on gravels and trails and slightly more composed on off-road stretches. City ride is of course good, even that is good with Scrambler X. Well, this is all about my riding experience. The big question, this bike is for whom? Well, if your 90% of the riding is in city or sometimes weekend rides and sometimes highway, then you should buy Scrambler X. But if you're a person who likes to take detours, who likes to go a little bit of off-road, sometimes more of it, you want to take your bike on trails, then XC should be your choice. Well, this is going to come at what cost? Scrambler XC is around 30,000 costlier than Scrambler X. Violation, I've been going places. There's no escaping how I ride my wave and chasing Percy Mills with no limitation. Carve a smile with a straight faces. Triumph didn't reinvent Scrambler. It just made Scrambler X a polished version in form of Scrambler XC. Well, if you're in market for a capable, stylish 400cc, which will also take you on off-road and you want less plastic and more muscle, then Scrambler XC should be your choice.
Don't got no roof, so I can shoot for the
How did you find this video? Let me know. If you have any questions about the bike, please let me know in comments. I'll be more than happy to answer them. As well as you can read my detailed review on autoopshot.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye and take care. It's raining and we have to run inside.
so I can shoot for the stars. I just hit the Brody, what you want? I just caught myself a little map to remind me where I'm from and where I'm going and where I'm at. Only trip out my tulips. I